As you know, my backpack broke. Sierra Design was super quick in sending me a replacement. There we go, I just picked up from the post office here in Mammoth. And it's perfect timing because I will head out back on the trail soon. There we go, brand new. Thank you, Sierra Designs. Hard to leave heavy pack behind. This is the original heavy pack. I will still keep my name. Heading out now with my brand new pack here. I actually like the black color a bit more than the grey one. Apparently there's no firework for the 4th of July. Welcome back everyone, it's day 23 on the PCT now. I had a quick detour to Devil's Postpile just because it was so close to the PCT. It's near Red Meadows. Just a few minutes ago the John Muir Trail actually went another direction, so they're not the same anymore. I think it's going a bit more direct to Yosemite. I'll have 2 days of hiking to Tuolumne Meadows now, and then from there I will have a day trip to Yosemite. I made it to Agnew Meadows after around 9 kilometers of walking. I'll take my first small break here. The backpack is pretty heavy again. I've got food for like probably 7 or 8 days. Climbing high again with that better views. Look at that. Awesome, there's a lot of trees here. Tonight I'm gonna do a little fixing session when after setting up my tent I wanna duct tape my hat because it broke a little bit. I have like a big area of duct tape here and put the PCT sticker on it. Let's see how that works out. Oh, there's so many butterflies here, or as we say in Germany, Schmetterling! Lots of flowers around as well. Another break here. I'm taking it very easy today because it's only 14 kilometers left to the pass, so it's gonna be a pretty easy day. And the views are getting amazing. We have a great view on Shadow Lake with an amazing waterfall below. And just as a little information, the JMT, the John Muir Trail, is actually splitting with the PCT now, and it's going around that lake. Nice, but I don't think I will go for a swim because it's very cloudy now and a bit windy. So overall not that warm. I really hope you're enjoying this as much as I do. If you do, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because without the bell icon, YouTube won't notify you for new videos. 700 meters now to the campsite, going downhill. My foot has been holding up really well the whole day without pills, and now at the end of the day I start feeling it a little bit again, but still much better than a week ago. So hopefully I can continue without pills now. Oh, that was the cutest Eichhörnchen ever. Somewhere here should be the next campsite. It's much nicer up here actually. In the end I was doing a bit more kilometers than I wanted to do. As so often, I guess. Right, I found my spot. There were quite a few people down there actually. But I found one single small tent site here. I can just barely fit my tent there. Oh, I just finished my dinner and the breeze came up actually, so all the mosquitoes are gone, which is amazing. It's so much more enjoyable to have dinner without these stupid mosquitoes around. And yeah, it's actually been quite a long day in the end. 29 kilometers. Let's see, I think tomorrow overall to Tuolumne Meadows is not too much actually left. And only downhill pretty much after the pass. Have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow. There we go, our first clear view here on Donohue Pass. Nearly there. Pass is actually going up here. As you can see, there's 3 people in front of me. That should be the pass here actually. Awesome! We're going into Yosemite now, guys. Pretty much right now. I'm in. That's how I imagine Yosemite. It's full of trees and then you get to the valley and you have these amazing rock formations. Half Dome and El Capitan. I've seen them so many times on climbing videos, so we can't wait to get there tomorrow morning. 8 AM now, the mosquitoes are still haunting me here, despite having mosquito spray on and being on 3,400 meters. I don't know why they like me so much. 21 kilometers to Tuolumne Meadows, and that's actually the end for the day. Tomorrow morning I'm going to hitchhike into the valley, into Yosemite Valley. This is such a great spot for a break here, guys. So I have amazing view on the mountains and the lake, and I've got these, so just the mosquitoes can go away now, please. That water was really clear. Yeah, I'm running a lot into JMTers again, Tuolumne Trail, and the Tuolumne Meadows area is the starting point or the end point, because it's about 50-50 between north and south bounders, while on the PCT you have around 90% going north and only 10% south. GMT doesn't really matter which direction you go, I guess. So a bit less than an hour to go now. I want to make it there for 4 p.m. latest, because I think the burger place stops making burgers at 5. And I want to have that burger tonight. Alright, I made it just in time for the burger. It was really nice. And they have a pretty big shop here. You can buy shirts. But I just want to get a cold Sprite. That's all I want actually. You know, my head kind of suffered a little bit, so I tried to fix it. I'd be very careful, because I think this is not gonna last for too long. The wind could actually blow it off already.
It looks concrete, buddy. You look great.
This is what we call Kabelsalat in Germany. To get them in the background, yeah.
Yeah.
So I fixed the hat with a lot of duct tape actually. I think you can read it better like this. Yeah, this is the Tuolumne Meadows campground, like over there. And I think I'll just stay here, because this is also marking the end of the section. Tomorrow I'm gonna go off the trail and go to Yosemite Valley. I think it's time to say goodbye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been a lot of material on this section. It's been a huge one through all the passes in this area. I will do a video from the Yosemite as well. Let me know if you want to see that footage as well, or if I should focus on the PCT. If not, I'll see you day after tomorrow, because it will only be one day in Yosemite. Thank you so much for sticking around to the very end of this video. I really hope you liked the content, and if you did, please consider subscribing using the bell icon as well to make sure you're not missing any of the new content. And I would also love to hear about your feedback in the comments.